Ain't nobody stop us.
Hey my lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may not know. And we're back. Do y'all think I know my name by now? As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing some boho knotless braid. Well, actually I'm doing box braids, but because knotless and my hair don't go together too well. But box braids in my hair, treacherous little twin. My hair is freshly washed and picked out, stretched out a little bit, and we're just gonna get started. And this time I'm gonna start on the front first, because I saw videos where they was like, you start on the front first, it won't look as bad because you're not as tired. So I'm gonna start on the front first this time, and then do the back off camera. Then I'll show you guys everything once it's done. But the hair I'm going to be using is Expressions. And for the curly pieces, I just have some track hair that I'm going to use. And I cut some off the weft already. When you cut a piece off, you want to comb out that shaded hair that they have. Take some hair gel and put it on the ends of it, so it can be a little tamed a little bit. And then you just separate your pieces. You probably gonna have a lot of uneven pieces, probably. It's gonna be a struggle. I would recommend getting the bulk human hair braiding. The bulk braiding hair that they have in the stores, but this is what I had on hand, so I'm using it. Let's get started.
Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Givers my only decision. Don't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Let this spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard.
So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-part my rolls in the front, and then I'll be back. Y'all, oh my god, this has been such a struggle. Like, I don't, make sure y'all get human the bulk hair, because this track and weft thing is, I don't know about that. I don't know if it's because I got the hair too short or the hair was too short or something, but y'all, I was struggling putting these curly pieces in, and I just hope it turned out decent, and I'm just gonna curl the end of the braids. Like, I'm gonna do like a little bantu knot at the end of the braids, and then cut it after I do that, so they all can be like the same length. And I really want, the curls can probably stop up right here. I don't know yet. It made me almost want to just do regular box braids, cause Lord. But anyway, let me try to show y'all what I did to kind of get it together. It's gonna look better like once I spray like the water on it, and get the curls popping, because I washed the bundle hair that I had already and just let it air dry, and then me being me, brushed it out, so the curls are like super big right now. And hopefully it just looks decent, y'all. Oh, cause I will take it down every last braid. So I'm not going too small, even though, yeah, I'm not gonna go too small. I'm just gonna keep it as is. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I did. I finessed this side a little bit because of I have thinning hair. I look like it's kind of trying to grow back. I keep saying that, but it has never grown back, and it's been what, 6 years now since I pulled it all out, and it still looks the same, y'all. I'm just trying to have a little hope, maybe. So first, I'm not gonna put bundle hair in every single braid. It just depends on how it looks, I'm guessing. So like this braid that I'm about to do right now, I'm not gonna put any hair. And it's a small piece, which like I said, I have to finesse like my hair kinda because I have a bald spot right there. And I don't want it to look too crazy. So I'm not gonna add no hair to this one. I'm just gonna use a small piece of braiding hair. My battery's about to die. Put gel on the end. And y'all, this is what I'm struggling with. So we're gonna feed it in. I know it's probably like a better method somewhere out there, but this is what I'm doing that works like the best for me in the situation that I'm in. Cause a child, I am struggling. I ain't gonna even lie. And then like the little end pieces of the track hair is sticking out, which is it's just getting on my mind. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm really stressing out a little bit, but we're gonna keep going. I'm just gonna have faith that it's gonna come out decent, okay? I don't know if I showed y'all this, but this is the bundled hair that I'm using, and it's like super short. And I think that's where the struggling is coming in. But I think once I cut this, like curl it and cut it or whatever, I think I'm gonna fuck with it. Y'all, I'm stressing myself out for no reason. It's just like, it could have all been so easy. It's just like feeding it in, like you doing feed-in braids. But I guess like in my mind, since I'm not doing feed-in braids, like the knotless braids, like I couldn't figure out how to feed in this curly hair. But y'all, it's just like feeding in some damn, it's just like feeding in braiding hair, me doing feed-in braids. And then you just leave that piece out to the side. It was all so simple, y'all. And I was struggling. Just clip it up. Add some extra gel. I'm just gonna have flyaways with this hairstyle because I cut the hair off the track, so I'm just gonna have flyaways. But y'all, it's really so simple. Still cut all that. Jesus. Next time I'm gonna start off with the back, cause now I feel like I'm done when I'm really not. I still got the whole back of my head left to do. Alright, so I am finally done with the front. Took me a little minute, you know, because I was struggling at first, but now I'm getting it down. So, done with the front. Gotta do the back. Okay, I'm gonna do the back off camera, and with the power of editing, I will be right. Alright, y'all, so I am finally done with the back of my head. It is now 10:15. That took a long ass time. Just how we looking. Now is like perm rod. Perm rod at the bottom. And I think I'm gonna cut some of the hair so that I won't be perm rodding so much. So I call myself dipping my hair, y'all. Horrible experience. 10 out of 10 would not recommend you to dip short hair by yourself. Honestly, I probably won't ever do, well, let me not say that. I probably won't do this hairstyle for a long time. It's been a struggle. Why am I struggling so bad? I'm gonna let it dry just a little bit and then I'll take them out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out now because I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. And let's hope for the best. Girl, this didn't even get wet. Your body wants.
Till I find a way, I will say the only words I know that you'll understand. That's JP. Is this love? 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 Is this love that I'm feeling?
So now I'm about to go in and cut it a little shorter.
I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you, love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every day and every night. We'll be together.
Alright, you guys, so I did my edges, added my mousse, added my oil sheen, because we love shiny hair. Ain't nothing in here. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in another freaking video. Bye.